Now we will discuss about pattern recognition. Neural network are used in applications like facial recognition. These applications use pattern recognition. This will be used to recognize a pattern. Face is also a pattern, right? So with this pattern recognition mechanism, facial recognition is also done. This type of classification can be done with perceptrons. Perceptrons can be used to classify the data into two parts. Perceptrons are known as linear binary classifiers. Pattern classification. Imagine a straight line. Imagine a straight line, which is also called linear graph, in a space with scattered xy points. These are scattered xy points. How can you classify the points over and under the line? Means, how can you classify these points are over the line or under the line? A perceptron can be trained to recognize the points over the line without knowing the formula for the line. X star weight, Y star weight, bias star weight 0 or 1. How to program a perceptron? To program a perceptron, we need to use simple JavaScript program that will create a simple plotter. Step 2, create 50 random XY points. Point number 3, display the XY points. Create a line function. Display the line. Compute the desired answers. Display the desired answers. So we'll go to each of the steps one by one. First step is create a simple plotter. Const plotter. So we are creating an object of plotter class. Then plotter dot transform xy. Const xmax, ymax, xmin, ymin should assign the value of plotter dot xmax, plotter dot ymax, xmin and ymin to the corresponding const xmax, ymax values. Create a random xy points. Create 500 random xy points, right? Create random xy points. Create as many xy points as wanted. Let the x values were random between 0 and maximum. Let y values be random between 0 and maximum. Display the points in the plotter. So we do that accordingly. Number of points 500. We are iterating the value I is equal to 0 to I less than num point. So 500 times 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. We are iterating to 500 times, and every time for each x point value, we calculate one a random value multiplied by x max and assign it to x point. Similarly for y. So here is the code. These are the values. Then iterate plotter dot plot points. So we plot the points. Here is the output. Create a line function. Now after we plot the points, we need to create a line function. So here function fx return x into 1.2 plus 50. Plotter plot points, plot those points, and plotter plot line. So plot the points and plot the line. Compute correct answers. Compute the correct answer based on the line function y equal to x into 1.2 plus 50. The desired answer is 1 if y is over the line and 0 if y is under the line. Store the desired answer in an array. Desired. So we are initializing an array, then we are putting the value inside the array if y points is greater than f function of x points I. So now what does it mean actually? We are passing the value of x points into this function and calculating what is the corresponding value coming. and we are comparing that with y points, and if y points I is greater than that value, then we store the value, we store 1 in the desired value. We do the same for num points number of times, that is 150 500 number of times. Display the correct answer for each point. If desired I equal to 1, display a black point, else display a blue point. So plotter plot point x points y point color, and this color will be black if desired I has a value. So desired I will have a value if it is greater than 1, right? And this will, if this is greater than 1, it will have value and it will have a black assign. So like this, it will, if it is having a bigger value, it will have a black color, otherwise it will have a blue color.